Hey, Brian from Rechargeable. Today I picked up a few of these Suprus USB arc lighters. They're USB chargeable, they're waterproof, windproof, the whole 9 yards. And if you have ever been out like hunting or outdoors when it's windy or it's a little bit overcast or rain or whatever, you can never get like a lighter to actually work. So I wanted to check these things out. Read some decent reviews on them, so I actually wanted to get one like firsthand. And you can tell it's actually raining. I should probably do this outside. But in the box, you're going to get like a little thank you card that comes in there, which is pretty cool. It's going to give you the warranty card and some like brief directions. Super cool. It's got like a generously long lanyard, so you can wear this around your neck. And I think this is, yeah, that's like a little emergency whistle that comes with it, which is pretty cool. So, well, I think I had it upside down. Let me try it this way. All right, there we go. So, I mean, that's a pretty loud whistle. So that's pretty awesome. Comes in with your little micro. I think that's a micro USB. Yeah, I think it's micro USB. Charger cable. Then you got the lighter itself, and I got like a camouflage one, which is like pretty cool. And you basically have this little safety latch on the side, and then you push to open, and then there's your little arc weld. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's see how it lights. It's obviously not a real cigarette because smoking's bad, but hey. So, and that's how that lights up. So that lights up pretty quick. That was an actual cigarette. Let's just put that in the water. All right, this end I have a little bit more paper showing on this side, so let's see how well that lights. So yeah, you got a pretty quick flame. So again, I'll put that in water. If you had like regular paper. So you can definitely get a flame going with that. Dump that in water. And then there's the old, will it go out when it's raining out? So you can see that. So it stays lit. Actually, was that a good angle on there? I think. Let's see if that's a little bit better for. So even doused with some water, that thing keeps going. So how about like flame out? So even like some really strong wind won't put that sucker out. But anyway, that's one camouflage. The camouflage one, which is pretty cool. I picked up this is a slightly different version, also in camouflage, and this one has a really like it's like a 3-mode light that's on there. So you got like that's your super bright, and I mean it's bright, and then you got like kind of like your medium light, and then you got like your emergency strobe. And same thing, opens up just like the other one. It's got a little safety latch on the side. You push that button, and there you go. That's your little arc. So that's pretty cool. Let me see what else. I got a black one, so that's like pretty cool as well. And they come in a bunch of different colors. And you charge them on the top side. You have this little USB jack that's right here. So if you had your, let me unwind this sucker. All right. So you got your little charging cable, and you're basically plugging it in on this back side. So that's basically your charge port. Hang on, let me get this. Oh, had it upside down. Okay, so you are putting it in. There we go. So that's like your USB little port, and you plug it into like your, battery pack or your laptop or whatever you got on the go. But then that's how it's going to be when you charge it. And then it's got, when it's hooked up to your USB, you're going to have that little charge light that's going to show that it's charging. But anyway, that's that one. I do have another one that came in a little bit of a different box than the other one. You know, and that's the item number and stuff that's on there. So you guys can check that out. And same thing, in the box you get your little thank you card, which is always nice to get. Your little directions and your warranty card that comes in that box. And you get your lighter wrapped in plastic. And then on the back of this, again, you get your lanyard as well as your USB charging cable. And this one was like the plain black version that had that, starting off with strobe. That's your bright light. That's your regular. And then again, that's your strobe. Okay, so open. And then you got your super lighter arc on that. Anyway, these things are pretty awesome. I'm glad I got them. For one thing, I bought a whole bunch because I always have trouble deciding like what color I want to get of stuff. And can you see the trend here? I like black and camouflage. But anyhow, I plan on putting one in each vehicle that I own. I'm going to buy a whole bunch more because you never have a lighter around when you need one. And you don't have to worry about messing around with like any type of lighter fluid or any other stuff. But anyhow, that's it. Pretty simple, sleek design, lots of color choices, lots of different styles without a flashlight, with a flashlight. Anyway, I keep running on. Brian from Rechargeable, thanks for watching. And as always, be safe out there. Oh, and thanks for subscribing.